Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy J-Hen, and I'm coming back to you guys with another unboxing and review video, you guys. Let's go. All right, you guys, so today what we're going to be unboxing and reviewing and checking out is this Shark Navigator Lift-Away XL vacuum cleaner. Just got this vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is supposed to be a heavy-duty vacuum cleaner with some really good suction, and it's supposed to help you reach those hard-to-reach places, as well as, guess what else, you guys? This has a powerful pet hair pickup capability. So if you got that pet out there, you know, that cat, that dog hair, this right here is supposed to be able to help you out with that good suction, as well as it has this lift away pod that helps you to clean anywhere. So with this lift away capability pod, it allows you to be able to clean things like the stairs as well as anything above the floor level, you guys. So let's go ahead, let's check it out, see what all comes in this box. Let's see how it does and how we can get it set up. Oh yeah, and one thing too, you guys, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty. 5 years, you guys. So that's something else that's pretty good about this here. And if it's your first time checking out the YouTube channel, you guys, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, because guess what? You see I got the travel stuff in the background. That's what we do. We travel on this channel, do some unboxings, and we just talk about stuff that deals with life, you guys. Let's go. Now, since you hit that subscribe button, you guys, let's go ahead and get into unboxing this. Let's check it out. Wow, so this is even good right here, you guys. It actually comes right here with instructions. Pretty much right here, as soon as you lift up this top tab right here, it lets you know what's inside. You got the vacuum pod, the floor nozzle, the wand, handle and hose, and then you have the other tools that you have there, as well as it lets you know pretty much how to assemble everything.
So it does come with an owner's guide right there. In that owner's guide, it'll have information about instructions on assembly, breaking down all the different parts. It talks about the warranty, maintenance, cleaning, ordering other supplies. And then right there on top, you do have the floor nozzle, which again is made out of some very sturdy material, and that's where your brush roll would be in there. And that's pretty much the bottom part of your vacuum cleaner. It's made out of great material. Then this is the actual vacuum, what they call the vacuum pod. So this is the part that you can lift up to carry around to vacuum anything above the floor, like when you're doing the stairs. There are 3 latches right there on the vacuum pod that lift up easily for emptying out the debris that you've collected. There's also latches that, you know, you just push the button to unsnap everything to pull it apart, and then you can hear it locking when you push things down in place. This is the wand that just goes right into the back of the vacuum pod. You just snap that right down into the back of there. Like that, and it has a button right there you can push to easily detach it, and then you can hear it locking back in place. This is the handle and hose that just attaches right into the wand, as well as it has that latch right there that you just snap right into place. You can hear everything clicking into place, as well as if you give it a pull, you'll know whether it's attached or not too, but it attaches very easily. It's very easy to assemble this vacuum cleaner. And I forgot to attach the accessory holder first, so I'm just right here attaching that accessory holder for the crevice tool. There you go. In the vacuum cleaner, I believe it's pretty much put together. There's a latch right there at the top for cleaning the screen. And then there's those 3 latches right there that you can just detach to get to the 2 filters and to empty all the debris that you've collected while cleaning. Then it has this suction control slider that works best with increasing the suction for hardwood floors. I've noticed on the regular carpet, you don't have to increase the suction that much. Then as we get down to the bottom, there's this brush indicator light. There's a light to let you know when it's working, when it's jammed, and also when it's overheating. And then you just have the two options there. Well, three. You got the off, the hard floor, and the carpet options right there. So not too hard to get this thing started. Then when you're ready to clean other places above the floor, you can just detach that wand and, you know, get to using it to suction up all that debris that you're trying to clean up. As I said earlier, everything is sturdy, durable, and attaches and detaches with ease and real comfort. Then if you don't have to get that far away, you can detach that smaller part right there and use that as well to get the debris, as well as, you know, it attaches right back on real easy. Voila. Now here we are testing this out. I don't know what happened. The kids had some pop rock candy, and why did they get it all along the side of the wall right there? But you see how good this vacuum is picking up that debris, and watch it go along the edge of the wall without me even having to use the wand or anything. Look at that. It's getting all that dang pop rock candy up. Why was the kids eating the pop rock candy in the hallway of the house anyway? I don't know, but I guess that's why we got this Shark vacuum cleaner. Look at it. It got all that up, and then, you know, we only had to use the wand just for that little bitty pieces right there. Get this vacuum cleaner, you guys. Peace.